I set them up for that with what great weather.
You did, and we appreciate that about you.
Thank you. Well, it's funny, one question we get from a lot of people is why is Freiburg often the coolest in the morning and the warmest in the afternoon? And that's because it's down in the Mount Washington Valley and away from the ocean. So today's a pretty good example of that. We'll show you the low temperatures this morning. They actually started at 29 in Freiburg. It's one of the coldest spots in the state. Holton, the only one in Maine, beating that out at 26. So we had a widespread frost and even a killing freeze in some of those deeper valleys. But look at the rebound this afternoon. Freiburg from 29 to 64. It's a big jump. 62 the high today in Bangor, 63 in Portland, and 62 the high in Portsmouth. Not too far off those high temperatures right now. And I've been watching the ocean temperature in Casco Bay. It's only gone down about 4 degrees, 3 degrees in the last few days. Change in the air mass, change in the wind direction, mixing up some of the ocean water too. High pressure is right on top of us. That's why the wind is lighter today than it was yesterday. And the position of this high will control our weather really through Tuesday of next week. So right now we're on the cool side of it, but as it drifts to our south and east, we'll start to warm up, and that really takes hold over the weekend. Another cool night out there tonight, so temperatures will be dropping quickly. We'll be in the 30s inland tomorrow morning with patches of frost. I don't think it's as cold as this morning, and near 40 for the low along the coastline. Could be a few high clouds and mid-level clouds in the morning. Otherwise, it's a mostly sunny day tomorrow, and we start to warm up. The wind tomorrow coming in out of the south and west. That starts to usher in some warmer air, so we'll jump by about 10 degrees in Freiburg tomorrow. Afternoon highs there around 74, 72 in Bangor, and a little bit of an ocean influence along the coast keeps Rockland through down east in the 60s, but Portland and Wiscasset should hit 70 coming up tomorrow. I know we were saying it last Thursday night when talking about last Friday night's weather, but it's another really nice Friday night for any plans that you might have, Friday night football or just hanging out in the backyard. 10 o'clock temperatures for most of us still in the 50s. And then Saturday morning, you can really sense we're starting to warm up because our morning temperatures will be in the 40s to around 50. Few patchy clouds here and there, otherwise lots of sunshine on Saturday, and we rebound into the 70s and perhaps close to 80 in parts of New Hampshire and southwestern Maine. Not quite as warm on Saturday in eastern and northern Maine, but I think you'll get into that warmer air on Sunday as we really get a push from the west and southwest. So all of us on Sunday up into the 70s, and then I think Monday is probably our warmest day of the stretch. We may hit the lower 80s on Monday. So we've got some real good stuff on the way. Next chance for rain, not until Wednesday. That's with the front that will break down the summer-like warmth. So it does look like we turn cooler for Thursday and Friday, but that's really the only chance for rain in about the next 10 days. So I know we've been talking a lot about the drought, and it is a serious issue, but you know, we can't change what the weather is, so at least we can hopefully enjoy all the sunshine and the warmth, which is timed pretty well for the weekend.
Great.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.